So we want to talk about penis enlargement today in our men's day. So let's talk to the men about this penis enlargement thing. Of course, you will be woman to way they listen to. I sure say you go also get one or two where you go gain from her, because some of una they cause una they push una men want to go do this penis enlargement something. Now they put there for high jump. Some of una they put there for high jump. Your penis is too small. It's too small. It's not touching my womb. Auntie, in penis no fit ever touch your womb. Oh. You know where your womb dey? Your womb way far. Where I in penis won't touch your womb. Some of una no know whether una wan make the penis come out from una throat. When e enter inside una vagina, make it from your mouth, make it come outside, make it for vomit am. Na so you wan make the thing long reach, make it if you enter your vagina, make you come. So tey e go come out from your mouth. Una wan dey feel am for una throat, for una throat here, make the thing dey touch una for throat. Every time una put this man for high jump, your penis is not long, yo. It's not big. It's doing woro inside my vagina. It's doing woro inside my vagina. It's not this. It's not that one. These men, they just they run up and down. They find waiting no loss. So penis enlargement. Penis, they are in my DM every day. I never see one day we pass. Make I no get one person ask me penis enlargement. Upon these shouts, why they shout? I don't make video on top of them. I don't post them. See, some people still never 1 year. Drink that pills from now till tomorrow. Your penis no dey enlarge go anywhere. They go chop your money. Rub that oil from now till tomorrow. You know they enlarge go anywhere. They go chop your money. If you like, waiting again the cream. Rub that cream from here to tomorrow. You know, see here, they go push up on top your head. You go just dey buy. E no go work you. Maybe when they don't release the one way they work, I go let you know. Me, I never kukuma hear anyone. Penis, even the penis pump, na temporary enlargement they do, no be permanent. So wetin go give you that permanent enlargement is a surgery. That is why we guys talk about this thing. If you define enlargement, we go give you enlargement. Permanent solution is the penis enlargement surgery. And some men, they see them as opportunity for them to boast. When they have big penis, they feel say the bigger the penis, the more confidence they go dey for inside the bedroom. The more confidence, they go dey inside the bedroom. And lie from the pit of hell. Instead, the more skillful you are, the more confidence you go dey inside the bedroom. So ask yourself as a guy, are you skillful? If they comot size of your penis, are you skillful? Because now one thing to get tools, now another thing to sabi use your tool. Some have tools they cannot use. Some can use but have no tools. You wey get your tool, wetin you sabi use am? Abi when you go there with whatever size where you be, all you do na to use am go dey cause havoc inside your woman vagina. Chaos inside. You go do finish, she go open tap. Make the thing she go just open tap there, they do hey, okwa me, I don't die you. I want me. Because of one woman being waist stroll with a penis center inside the vagina, the woman baby no go hear word again. Let's make we talk about this penis thing. I just hope that I know Zeno will be the last conversation. They go see rush enter my DM someday. They go see after today, they go see send me message. Uzo, penis enlargement. Oga, temporary penis enlargement, you go for surgery. Now, let's break it down. Now, wetin you want enlarge? Is it you want make your penis dey longer? Or you want make it dey big, make it fat, make it grab? You understand? Now, where you want make it grab for body, abi you want make it dey longer? Now, people wey dey on top of body matter say whether na you want make am longer abi you wan make e add body o, say e dey very very possible for them to do am for you for surgery. You fit achieve am through surgery or fillers. But dem talk say na that surgery own dey give you dey give you more successful outcome than the fillers, because e go add an inch or two for the length. Now, lengthening processes, they say they use, they cut the ligament or something, they go use them and say if it's no dey successful and if it leaves scars for the penis. So if you want increase the length of your penis, you want make a day longer. Apart from say they go fit to add them for body weight, you understand? They say when they don't add them or add body weight for them with fillers, say they feel they stretch them to add. When they stretch them, if you also make them day longer. If you want to enlarge your penis with fillers, then say it dey less complicated. Say as women go just go surgeon now, say my bum bum oh, add me more flesh for my bum bum. I want make I come off from make I dey wear size from size 8, make I begin dey wear size 12 or size 14. Make I come out from hip 34, for instance, or 38. Make my hip size begin to reach that kind 50 or 55. And then, the surgeon go do them Brazilian butts, this hip enlargement, this one, that one, and all of that, Them say, na so too, men feel also enhance all of this. Okay? But say it dey less, use their filler to fill your penis to enlarge them. It dey less complicated. Say why we go do our own Brazilian butts, this one breast augmentation, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. For that filler own, it dey less complicated. But remember, say they say the filler no go give you the results where they kakaraka like when you do the surgery itself. Then call the name of one of the fillers where they use. One of the popular one they use. And they say FDA approve them for face injection, and it gets great safety profiles them like that. So they use them for the men them to fill them up. Now, if you dey interested in penis enlargement, then say the results, how long will it go last? Say it important but make them tell you. Say the treatment fit take 1 to 3 treatments to achieve the goal where you want. And you go come start to do every year maintenance. First step, you go do the surgery, right? And if you say you want to make it long from here, reach Mushin, say no be if it take you 1 or 3 treatments for you to get that penis wey go long from VI to Mushin. If you say no be say I want make it just long, I want make it fat, wey be say my woman go need to use 2 hands to use grab am. Then say e go fit take you 1 to 3 treatments for them to do that one for you to achieve them. And when you don't achieve those goals, every year, annual maintenance. You go for annual maintenance. Now, wetin be the risk wey dey involved in penis enlargement procedures? They say make we tell you about it. They say make you expect some kind swelling or some kind, maybe possibly, say if you get some kind bruises You understand? Infection, they say na rare risk. Okay? But then say if person dey smoke or the patient no get proper hygiene, e fit increase, if it dey increase for am to carry infection after the surgery, say if it dey increased. Okay? Another thing wey they also say make we tell you, say at first your erection fit no stand up. Say you fit to get issues small on top of your erection. Say at first if you no stand up, your penis if you no stand you as tall as e dey stand. So if before when e stand like this, you go be like Okpamose. Now so e go long like this, dey face sky. They say now wey you have go to add weight to your penis now don gain weight, don go gym am up, e don go lengthen am. Say now if you want to stand, if e dey sluggish, the standing now no go be the way wey go just garasoke, wey go just stand gidigba before. Then now if e drag leg you if e dey sluggish with him standing, you know, can't stand well finish. At first you say if you no can't stand long as he dey stand before at first. But say after some weeks una go gain strength, okay, and everything go back to normal after some weeks. Say they very very important pal. Make we also tell you, say you go need to go doctor wey dem train well, wey qualify well you. No go any kind kwa doctor. Make dem no go kwakashia your penis for you. That one where you see they manage, where they see they shout oops on top you. Make it no go there, they go kukuma kwakashia everything. The thing no go call even they do any work at all again. They kuma scatter am for you finish. Make you go doctor wey sabi road you. No go surgeon wey no sabi wetin him dey do, to avoid stories that touch. And they say if they go for the injection them, they say that one dey complex. And make you no be person wey no dey experienced. Now you go perform penis injection matter on top your penis you. Shebi I don't draw hand for ear reach for you, abi? So you want to go and do penis enlargement? You still wanna do? Baba, yes, Sonia, how are you? Long time. You still wanna do? If you still wanna do, it's no problem. They see they do it for Nigeria here. They do it for Nigeria. They enlarge penis. If they work, some people go see whether the penis go still work. Oh, well, if you never born pikin, whether I go still fit give you pikin. Oh yes, it go still fit. Although they talk say na something wey dey really necessary. You know, say I go always study for year. Most times, even when you go meet the surgeon, make it increase. Now for rare occasion, now a surgeon go perform penis enlargement on the patient. Now on very rare occasions, in very rare occasions, and maybe the man get micro penis or something. He get some kind of medical terms. We go ginger that surgery. May they come begin the put penis enlargement for man. And they thought say they involve silicone implants, fat transfer, ligament division, and other procedures them. They say make I also come draw hand for ear for you, say although penis enlargement surgery fit work in some cases, but guarantee no dey say go dey effective, and say the procedure fit carry some risk. It dey cost small sha. e dey cost small. Yeah, e dey cost. It's not 1,000 naira something. Yeah, it's not 5 digits. No, penis enlargement e enter millions. Yes, it's not in thousands, it's in millions. Na the one wey I say make I tell you abeg o be that. How long e go take you to recover? They say e fit take you for like 30 to 60 days of no sexual activity o. No masturbation. Then you fit gain your total recovery.